Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant, which restart your PC and giving you various BSODs like critical process died after the latest update with the Valorant game. So let's proceed with the resolution. First of all, right click on your Valorant and choose the option properties over here. Click on the compatibility tab, and here you need to run the program in the compatibility mode with Windows 7. After that, hit apply and OK button. Once you have done this, try to play the game and check if you are still getting the BSODs or your PC still restart while playing the Valorant game. If this doesn't fix, in second step, head over to a settings menu, click on the display settings over here, scroll down and click on the option graphics. Here graphics, you need to add the Valorant game right over here by clicking on the option browse. Head over to the directory of the Valorant, which is in C drive, Roid Games, Valorant, Live, and here is Valorant.exe file. Double click to open it, and once it reach over here, click on the option and you need to choose the option High Performance. Hit the Save button. Do the same with second application. Again hit the Browse button. This time you need to open up Shooter Game. Binary is Win64 and here is Valorant Win64 shipping. Once you added this program also, again click on it and click on the option Options. Again choose High Performance and hit the Save button. Now if both method fails and your system still giving you the BSODs or restart your PC, let's proceed with the third step. Click on the Start menu and type Advanced System Settings. Open up View Advanced System Settings option available right in front of you. From here, under the Performance tab, you need to click on the option Settings over here. Now again click on the Advanced option and click on the option Change, which is VRAM. Here we are going to increase your VRAM. Uncheck the option Automatically Manage Paging. From here, you need to click on the option Custom Size, and here type a minimum of 12,000 and a maximum of 36,000. Secondly, you can type maximum size up to 4 times your actual RAM. If you have a 2 GB RAM, then 4 times means then you can type up to 8 GB of space over here in MB. After that, hit the Set button. Now hit the OK button. Now go ahead, restart your PC, and this will completely fix out the issue of Valorant forces your system to restart or giving you various BSODs while playing the game. This is all about it, friends. This is how you will fix the issue with Valorant after the latest update. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.